Wow, the park has really changed over the years. I got some old 8mm footage my dad shot. I think it was the first year the park opened in '72. So I'm gonna sprinkle that through this video so y'all sit back and enjoy as Pearl and I have another date night going up the tower then and now. That's my brother Perry on the left and me on the right.
Alright, I want the alligator outfit.
That show's okay, but man, when I was a kid, they had some shows.
1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4. 4 bananas make a bunch and so do many more. Over hill and highway the banana buggies go, coming up to bring you the banana split show.
How high you think those balls would bounce if they came off the top up there?
Pretty high.
Yeah.
I don't like ice cream. That's okay. Hello everyone, welcome to the Eifel Tower. We stand 314 feet tall. We're approximately a 1/3 replica of the tower in Paris, France. Today you're going to visit our 275.
Those people look like damn.
While you're out there, there's just a couple of rules. No eating, drinking, or smoking. Against Ohio State law dispense no pull or throw anything over the edge. Or anybody. While you're up here, it's a pretty good rule. Have a good time, take pictures. When you want to go back down, come around the corner, we'll take you back down. Doors are going to open right here on the right.
How many people go?
Where's our bat? There's our bat. Look at it go. Go, bat, go. How I drop things.
Yeah.
Are you insinuating I have the dropsies? All right. Well, at least the sun's on the boring side, parking lot.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the fountain. You're not getting too close to the edge there, are you? No. They're here, going down.
She said something about the replica of.
Yeah, this is
What'd she
the
say?
third scale.
Third of.
So this is a
third.
third of the size of
The Eiffel
real
Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Of the real Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, so it's like a mini.
Oh my goodness.
Mini one.
So there's like 3 more of these. How many?
Yeah, stack 3 of these on top of it, and then the size of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh wow. That's high.
Yes, that is high. Pearl's like, nope, I'm not going up there.
So I took out there.
We're trapped.
When we got back, when I saw you guys, I kept on going.
The girl in the Rugrats t-shirt. She
Yeah.
looked at the camera.
Oh,
Did you see her?
no,
Think you got her?
maybe.
She kind of did like a, I don't know.
Oh, okay. We will find out. Hi, I'm Jim.
And this is Pearl. This is The Gray Life, and we want to thank you for watching.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.